Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to our online class. So in this class, we'll see a few problems on permutation, combinations, and binomial and multinomial theorems. Okay, so we'll see a few problems. See the first problem. What is the first problem? He say, find the number of permutations of the letter. Find the number of permutations of the letter of the word Masasauga. In how many ways of these all four A's are together, that is second bit, then how many of them begin with S. So this is the word he gave, M-A-S-S-A, S-A-U-G-A. In this, using this word, we have to find how many permutations are possible, correct? So that is the first bit. Then second bit he is asking how many of these, in how many of these all four A's are together. Okay, first given word, what is the given word M-A-S-S-A, correct? So in this word, how many repeated letters are there? See, A's, how many? A's 1, 2, 3, 4, correct? A's are 4. Then S, how many S are 1, 2, 3, correct? Then next M is 1, M is 1 and U is 1 and G is 1. So total how many letters are there? 10 letters are there. So therefore the required number of permutations. So therefore number of permutations. Total how many are there? 10. So 10 factorial by, in this repeated is how many? 4 A's, 3 S's, 1 M, 1 U and 1 G. So 10 factorial by 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 1 factorial, 1. That's it. Very simple. This is the first bit. Then second bit, what is second bit is asking? All 4 A's are together. All 4 A's are together. That means if I take 4 A's are 1 and remaining how many 6. So total how many? 7 letters, correct? All 4 A's becomes 1. It is only 1. Then 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So therefore number of permutations, how many total? 7, because all A's are only 1 unit we have to consider. So remaining 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 factorial by, in that how many S's are there 3 factorial, 1 factorial, 1 factorial, 1 factorial. All A's together can be taken as 1 factorial. So this is the number of permutations. So using the calculator you can calculate So using the calculator, this answer I am getting 25,200. Then this answer I am getting 840. Then third bit, how many of them begin with S he says, correct? So how many of them begin with the S? That means total 10, no? So if I take first one is S, remaining how many begin with S, correct So if I take S is initial, remaining how many total? 9 letters are there, correct? So that means, so S is gone, so remaining 9 letters, 9 factorial. In that how many repetitions are there 2 S's are there, 4 A's are there, 1 M, 1 U, 1 G. Understand? So this is the number of permutations begin with the S. S initially we have to start with S, remaining 9 places. So 9 factorial by 2 factorial, 4 factorial, 1 factorial and 1 factorial. This is coming 7,560. That's it. Very simple problem. So this is the simple problem on permutations. Understand? This is one problem. Okay, next we'll see another problem. Next, second problem. This is on the problem on combinations. 7 men and 4 ladies committee of 6 is to form. How many? 7 men and 4 ladies. So how many committee members? 6 members are required in committee. In how many ways can be done? Exact 2 ladies. Then second bit, at least 2 ladies. Understand? So how to solve this type of problem? First of all, given how many men are how many? Men are 7 and ladies 4. So committee consists how many members? 6 members. So committee how many members? 6 members, correct? So therefore First bit is what? Exact 2 ladies ma. So first bit is what? Exact, in the committee, exact 2 ladies. That means, so combinations of how many men are there? 7 men are there. In 7, total committee 6 members, no? How many we have to take? 4 men we have to take, correct? Into, then in women, how many women we need? How many ladies we need? Exactly 2 ladies. So C into 7 comma 4, C into C of 7 comma 4 into C of 4 comma 2. So C of 7 comma 4 is how much ma? 7C4 into 4C2, correct? So committee of 6, in that at least exact 2 ladies, the remaining are what? Men. So 7C4 will give you 7C3, 7 into 6 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 3, then 4C2 into 4C2 is how much more? 4 into 3 by 1 into 2. So 2 3s are 6 get cancelled, 2 2s are how much it is? 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30, so 210. So 2 number of ways, how many more? 210 ways you can take exactly 2 ladies in the committee. Understand? 35 into 6, no? Understand? Right. Then second bit, at least 2 ladies is asking. What is second bit ma? In that committee, minimum 2 ladies. So minimum 2 ladies means maximum how many you can take? 4 ladies also you can take. See the number of possible ma? Minimum 2 ladies, no? That means suppose if I take minimum 2, so out of men we have to take 4, then from women 2, correct? This is one case, plus this is one case, plus one second, this is one case, then plus another case, C of 7 men are 3 into C of women are 3, correct? At least 2, maximum 4 also we can take. This is one case, plus next case, 7 men are 2 and women, how many we can take ma? 4 out of 4 also we can take, correct? This is the case for at least 2 ladies in the committee, okay ma? So therefore 7C4 into 4C2 plus 7C3 into 4C3 plus 7C2 into 4C4. So 7C4 into 4C2 we already calculated here. It is how much ma? 210 plus 7C3, no? 7C3 is how much? 35. 35 into 4C3 is what? 4. 35, 4, 5 is 20, 4 is 12, 140. If you want, you can use the calculator. Plus 7C2 is how much ma? 21. So 21. So 210, 350, 371 ways you can select at least 2 ladies ma. Use the calculator if you get exact answer. Okay ma. So this is the problem when the committee is given ma. Okay. So we will go for another problem. See the next question. A question paper contains 2 parts A and B, each 4 questions. That means part A. So this is your live example for everyday exam ma. A part contain 4 questions, B part contain 4 questions. How many different ways a student can answer 5 questions? How many he has to write? 5 questions by selecting at least 2 from each part. From A he has to write minimum 2 and B he has to write minimum 2. But total how many he has to write ma? 5 questions he have to write. Understand? So different ways a student select his 5 questions, right? So different solution is what? Different ways can select 5 questions, right? So 5 questions. So what is the first case ma? So first case how many parts are there? Part A and part B. From the first case he can select part A how many? 3, correct? So first case he can select from part A 3 and from part B how many ma? 2. Understand? This is one way. That means so we get 4C3 into 4C into 4C2. So 4C3 is 4, 4c2 is how much ma? 6. So 24 ways. If you want, you can write here. What you can write here? From A 3 and B 2. From part A we can write 3 questions, and from part B 2 questions. That means at least 2, no? So 3 also we can take, minimum 2, maximum 3, because if you take 4 then here it will be 1, but at least 2 condition is fail in that case, correct? Then second case, from A we can take 2 and B we can take 3 ma. That means C of 4 comma 2 into C of 4 comma 3. That means, so 4c2 into 4c3, this one also will give you 24. So therefore total is equal to 24 plus 24. So how many cases are possible ma? 48 cases are possible by selecting at least 2 questions from each part. Understand? So he has to write 5 questions totally. So very simple problem. If you understand these problems, so these are very simple ma. Only permutations formula and combinations formula, if you remember, then you can solve this problem very easily ma. Understand? We'll go for next problem. See the next problem ma. So problem on binomial he gave here. Find the coefficient of x power 9 y cube in the expansion of 2x minus 3y whole power 12. So he's asking in the expansion x power 9 y cube coefficient is asking ma. Generally by binomial, from binomial, what is the formula we have? X plus y whole power n is equal to summation r is equal to 0 to n ncr x power r y power n minus r. ncr x power r y power n minus r. This is the binomial distribution formula ma. Okay. Now, so therefore, what is the given here? So given is what? 2x minus 3y whole power n. Correct. So if I compare, in place of x how much we have? 2x. In place of y I have minus 3y, and in place of n how much we have ma? 12, no? It is 12. Correct. So using this, so I am substituting r is equal to 0 to n. N is how much ma? 12. So ncr 12cr, x is how much? 2x power r, y is how much ma? Minus 3y power 12 minus r. Clear? Now which coefficient he is asking? He is asking x power 9 y power 3 coefficient. Correct? He is asking x power 9 and y cube coefficient. To get x power 9 and y cube coefficient, what we have to substitute in place of r? Let r is equal to 9. R is equal to 9. If I take r is equal to 9, what I get? X power 9 and y power 12 minus 9 is how much ma? 3. Correct? If I understand, very simple, no? So x power 9 you need, in place of r if you substitute 9, you get x power 9. So 12 minus 9 is what? 3. X power 9 into y cube we get. So therefore r is equal to 9. If I substitute r is equal to 9, what I get here? What I get here ma? R is equal to 9, right? So 12 coefficient 12c9 2 power 9 minus 3 power 12 minus 9. So this is the term coefficient of x power 9 into y cube in the expansion. Very small problem. See here, he gave for 7 marks it is. Understand? So using the calculator, you can solve this answer ma. Understand? So if he asks x power 10 into y square, that means r is equal to 10, you have to take. Understand? So this is the answer. Next next problem ma. This is the problem on multinomial. So here 3 terms are there. See, find the coefficient of x y z square in the expansion of 2x minus y minus z power 4. This is multinomial ma. So if it is more than 2 terms, we have to solve these problems under multinomial. Multinomial, so general formula is what? So general formula for multinomial, how, what is the nth term you want, right? Okay, so this will give you n factorial by, or you can take like this, n you can write ma, n, then n1, n2, n3, so on, nt into, then whatever the term will come, that term we have to take. That means x1 power n1 into x2 power n2, like that you can take ma. Understand, this is multinomial problem. So therefore here what happened here, using multinomial theorem, so what is our n here? N is how much ma? So given is what? 2x minus y minus z whole power 4. So here n is equal to how much? 4. This is x1, x2, x3. Correct ma? x1, x2, x3. So therefore, so general term you have to write. So therefore, general term. So what is general term here? N. So n1, n2, n3. Three terms are there. General term is equal into x1. No, x1 is what? 2x power n1 and minus y power n2 minus z power n3. Understand? So now what we get here? So n is equal to how much? 1, and here n2 is 1 and n3 is also n3. Which coefficient is asking? X power 1, y power 1, z square. So to get x, y, z square coefficient, let n1 is equal to 1, n2 is equal to 1, n3 is equal to 2 ma. Correct? Z square we need, no? So that's what. So what I get here, n is how much? 4, n1 is 1, 1, then n3 is 2. So 2x power 1 minus y power 1 minus z whole square. So therefore, so this will give you 4 factorial by 1 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 2x minus y z square. That means he is asking coefficient, no? So therefore, required coefficient is how much ma? X, y, z square, will take it out, no? So 4 factorial is how much? 24 by 2, 12. This 2 get cancelled. Again is how much it is? Minus 24 x, y, z square will get. That means, so coefficient of x, y, z square is how much ma? Minus 24. The coefficient of x, y, z square is how much we get? Minus 24. Understand? Very simple it is. This is the main formula. Multinomial expansion, then general term we write. So this is x1, x2, x3. If he gave more, then you take x4, x5 like that. So see the powers of the coefficient term, then take that according to that, take the n1, n2, n3, substitute, you will get the answer ma. Okay. Next, see this one. See, I am solving some important problems which are came in the previous year question papers. Now see here, find the coefficient of x power 27 in the function like this is given: x power 4, x power 5, x power 6 plus so on whole power 5. Okay. So how to solve this problem? See, given, what is the given here? So x power 4 plus x power 5 plus x power 6 plus so on whole power 5. This can be written as, so x power 4 can be taken common, no? So whole power 5, 1 plus x square plus so on whole power 5. So we have to convert the given problem into basic formulas which we know already. So x power 4 I took it out, whole power 5 also will come. So x power 20. So this is the expansion of 1 minus x whole power minus 1 ma. Correct? This is the expansion. So x power 20 into 1 minus x whole power minus 5. So what is this x power? We have a formula. What is the formula we have? The formula which we have, no, 1 minus the formula which we have 1 minus x whole power minus n will give you summation r is equal to 0 to infinity n plus r minus 1, n plus r minus 1 cr into x power r. This is the formula we have ma. Correct? So 1 minus x whole power minus n, formula is this one. Therefore this is equal to x power 20 into, using this formula in place of n, how much I have? I have n is how much ma? 5. So summation r is equal to 0 to infinity, n is 5 here, 5 plus r minus 1 cr x power r. We need x power 27 coefficient. So x power 20 summation r is equal to 0 to infinity 4 plus r CR x power r. Correct? To get x power 27 coefficient, how much r value we have to take? Already 20 is there outside. So r value how much we have to take? R is equal to 7. So therefore let r is equal to 7. So therefore x power 27 x power 20, if r is equal to 7, x power 27 coefficient is how much ma? So 11C7. Correct? So 11 factorial 11C7 how much will give you? Using calculator we get the value 330. Understand? So very simple it is. So the formula which we used is 1 minus x whole power minus n summation r is equal to 0 to infinity n plus r minus 1 CR x power r. Understand? So first take out the x power 4 common. So whole power 5 x power 20. The remaining this part will give you 1 minus x whole power minus 1 expansion. Understand? So take down. Okay. Next problem. Find the coefficient of x power 18 in the function or in the following product you can take. In the product x plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4 plus x power 5 into x square plus x cube plus x power 4 plus 1 whole power 5 ma. So in this you need to find x power 18 coefficient. How to solve? So given is what? X plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4 plus x power 5. So which term we can take common ma? X square we can take common. X square whole power 5. 1 plus x square plus so on whole power 5. Correct? So that means, so total x power 10. So if I multiply this x power 10 by this side, or x power 10 into x plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4 plus x power 5 into, this is the expansion of 1 minus x whole power 1 minus x whole power minus 1 whole power 5. Correct? So that is the expansion. That means total how much I am getting here? X power 10 x plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4 plus x power 5 1 minus x whole power minus 5. So just now in the previous problem we took the formula. So x power 10, if I multiply x power 10 inside, so how much I get here? X power 11, x power 12, x power 13, x power 14, x power 15 into summation r is equal to 0 to infinity n plus r, no, n is 5 here, 4 plus r CR x power r. Correct? So C ma, this is CR, right? So which coefficient? X power 18 you need. So to x power 18 coefficient, x power 18 coefficient. So first case r is equal to how much we have to take? Here 11 it is already into x power 7. So that means I get 11C7 one case, correct? Then plus 12 into, that means r is equal to how much ma? 6 we have to take. So x power 12 x power 6 will give you x power 18. So 10C6. So 13 is there. So 5 you have to take. 9C5 r value. Understand here. So very simple logic you have to use. X power 18, already 11 is there into x power r. So to get 18, how much r value? 7. 12 is there, to get r 18, how much r value? 6. 13 is there, to get 18, how much r value? 5. 14 is there, to get r 18, how much r value required ma? 4. So that means 4 plus 4, 8C4. Then 15 is there, r value is 3, 7C3. So that's it. Using the calculator, you'll get the answer. Understand? So these are the few problems on permutation, combinations and counting techniques. Okay. So go through these problems. So you'll get good marks in your upcoming exam.